Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next question. A machine which manufactures ice need to run for 10 minutes to warm up before the production of the ice begins. In this question they are saying that in starting three lines they are saying that a machine which manufactures ice, in first 10 minutes it's warm up, the machine is warm up only, and after 10 minutes the machine starts to manufacture the ice. So the mass in tons of the ice is directly proportional to the number of the hours of production. So the first information they are saying that the mass in tons, mass is directly proportional to the mass of the ice produced is directly proportional to the number of the hours. Mass will be directly proportional to the number of the hours. So, and another information which is given that the machine warm up in first 10 minutes. Further they are saying that given that 20 ton of ice are manufactured when the machine runs for half an hour. So in first half an hour machine manufacture 20 ton of ice. So from this data we get that in the first half an hour, means that in first 30 minutes machine manufactured 20 ton of ice. So it means that in the first 10 minutes the machine only warm ups, and after out of half an hour, means that out of 30 minutes first 10 minutes machine only warm ups, and in next 20 minutes the machine manufactured 20 ton of ice. The mass of the ice, 20 ton of ice, not manufactured in half an hour, because according to the information machine only warm ups in first 10 minutes. In first 10 minutes it doesn't manufacture any ice, it's only warm ups. So it means that the 20 ton of ice manufactured in 20 minutes, in first 10 minutes it's only warm up. So from this information they are saying that 20 ton of ice manufactures in 20 minutes, as D and mass and number of the hours or the minutes is directly proportional to each other. It means that mass is directly proportional to the time period, and when directly proportional signs moves, it will be equal to M will be equal to KT, when K is the constant value, any constant value. When this constant value is multiplied by the time period, it will be equal to the value of the mass. So first finding the value of the K, it means that the mass will be 20 ton and it will be equal to K, and time period is 20 minutes. We can convert into hours because mass is directly proportional to the number of the hours. So we can say that when we convert 20 minutes into hours, it will be, or 20 divided by 60, it will be 0.33 hour. So we can put 0.333 hours. So the value of K will be 20 divided by 0.333. So 20 divided by 0.333, it will be 60.06. The value of K will be 60.06. It will be the value of the K. Now further they are saying that find the mass of the ice manufactured when the machine runs for 1.5 hours. They are saying that we have to find the mass of ice manufactured, and the time period given is 1.75 hours. 1.75 hours is equal to, or 1.75 minus 20, 1.75 multiplied by 60, 105 minutes. We can also solve it in minutes, means that 20 ton of ice will be manufactured in 20 minutes. So the value of the T in minutes will be 20. So 20 divided by 20 will be equal to K, means that the value of K will be 1. In this part I have put the time period in minute, in this part I have put the value in hours. So 105, here 1.75 hours is given, which is equal to 105. And now in first 10 minutes the machine only warm ups, so the time will be time for manufacturing is 105 minus 10, it will be 95 minutes. So as M is directly proportional to T and M is equals to KT, and the value of K is 1, when the value of K is 1 when the time is in minutes, and the value of K is 60.06 when the time is in hours. So I am putting the value in minutes, so I will use the value of K is 1 as K equal to 1, as K is equals to 1. So we have to find the mass, the value of K is 1 and the time period is 95 minutes. So 95 ones are 95, so 95 ton. So it means that the mass of ice manufactured, the mass of ice manufactured is 95 ton when the machine runs for 1.75 hours. So this is the question. Inshallah in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.